guys, back at the shop, do an update, Hot Rod Power Tour 2022 Squarebody. And today's the big day to make it comfortable. What do I mean by that? TMI.
So we're over at the shop again, and we're going to check out the Squarebody. It is looking good. 1985 Chevy Squarebody, 6-liter LS engine swap. This is the custom deluxe Squarebody. Pretty smooth, slammed out on QA1 suspension, 20-inch wheels. Did the full engine swap, got full AC, all that ready to go for the ride. Willwood brakes on all 4 corners, disc brakes, so we don't have to worry about stopping. Over 2,000 miles on the road trip. Check out the QA1 suspension. How clean is that? Coilovers front and rear. All new exhaust too. QA1 coilovers in the front also. Upper and lower control arms. Sway bar. We got the Willwood spindles in there. Check out that engine. Looks factory, doesn't it? Gonna make a nice road trip with a 6-liter LS, probably getting around 15 to 18 miles per gallon, hopefully. Some people say they get 20 miles a gallon in a Squarebody, but we got some extra fuel just in case. This is a fuel reserve. It'll just fill the factory tank.
All right, TMI, it's about that time. Hot Rod Power Tour is gonna be fun this year.
All right, while Dave unboxes all this stuff, we're going to go ahead and tell you what exactly we got from TMI. This is the Pro Series Deluxe Bench Seat. It's a sport two-tone. The exact color is blue steel distressed with blue plaid and white stitching. Super clean, super nice. Got cup holders. It's got a little cooler section in there. We'll show you that when we get it mounted.
That looks really nice. Look at the quality of it. All made in America at TMI in-house. Very nice. It's got little cup holders, nice hinges. This is pretty soft, I gotta admit. Very nice. TMI.
As usual, they put their logo on the side, which looks amazing and proves how good the seats are. Alright, I'll let the guys go ahead and install the brackets while I explain them. Seat mount brackets for 73 to 87, directly from TMI. We just need to add a few nuts, and they are mounted and ready to go. Alright, guys aren't looking. I'm going to be the first to sit. So nice.
Yes.
As you can see, these are incredibly well made. The material is super nice. Got little pull tabs. I think this is going to last quite a while. Also, it reclines and slides back and forth. Got to get them mounted though.
All right, first thought, what do you think? Squishy? Yeah.
The excitement continues. Time to install the dash pad. This is a Sport R 81 to 87 dash pad. Blue distressed steel, blue plaid.
Man, it's almost like it's specifically designed for this truck, but it's not. That's just their pattern. So,
it changes the whole look of the truck.
It does.
So now that we know the dash fits, we can install the door panels. These are sport molded door panels in two-tone, again with the blue distressed steel and blue plaid with white stitch. So we set the camera down and finished it all up, and check it out.
Yeah, those look good.
So if you've been following along, you know we put DEI padding underneath the carpet here. So we're gonna have a nice cool and quiet ride for the entire Power Tour. Not only did we get these sweet seats, but we have a molded headliner for 73 to 87 in the blue distressed vinyl. Feels so good with that dash. Blue plaid, blue distressed vinyl, TMI interior, DEI padding. It's going to be a fun road trip. It even reclines, slides forward.
Just got to do these Dakota digital gauges. Everything else will be set. Put the seat in. You guys know the difference between these two? Let me know. We're using the bottom set. But what's the difference from the top set?